Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, you guessed it, we're back working on the 70 Chevy truck. Had an idea for the front end here, actually for my custom made little light bar there. Wanted to add a few more lights. So I picked up some of these. These are like 5-inch. They call them amber. They got fog stamped on them. I'm probably never going to use them, but it's more for looks. But I might eventually hook them up. Got 2 of these. These are like 5-inch. I don't know if I said that or not, but and then to go with these, found these neat bow tie KC covers. So I don't know. I just thought it would look neat. I don't know if I'm going to move the round ones on the outside, put the KCs in the middle. I don't know, we'll play with it. I gotta drill some holes in here, get them mounted, and I'll play with it, see what I like. Okay, so a few holes later, and I've got them mounted up. And actually I really like them. I think they bring the round look, because the headlights are round, the KC lights on the rack are round, so kind of brings that round look back to the front end. I like it. It fills that light mount. It kind of fills it up, gives it I don't know, a full look. I have tried the covers on there, and honestly I like it better without the covers. So I think I'm probably going to leave the covers off. I think I saw some actual KC covers, you know, the ones that have the yellow and their KC. I think I might pick one of those up and see if they look better. But the covers might look better if I swapped out and put the round one on the outside. But I don't know, for now I'm just gonna leave it like that because I actually really like that. So there it is, guys. Quick little mod to the 70 Chevy truck. I like it. I think it almost like finishes it off there. Like there's too big of a gap between the lights. So I'm real happy with that. Probably, like I said, gonna run it without the covers for now. And yeah, eventually I might swap them out, put the round ones outside and the oval ones on the inside. We'll see. Okay, so I found a set of lights here. These are 6x9 lights that I got way back when I was a kid. See if I can find some pictures. I had a few step sides that I had these lights on. I have a couple different covers for them. These ones were on the 2 step side trucks I had, and then this, I got these when I put it on. I had a 2008 truck, and I put these lights on there, and I swapped the covers because the red didn't go with it. I had a gray pickup, but I think these are going to work on the 70 because I found some of the yellow covers for the 6x9 lights, So I think I'm gonna give that a try on there. Yeah, these are pretty old, and you can see they've got some rust. So I'm going to show you a little trick that my dad taught me about rust on chrome, and we're going to try to bring these back to life. Okay guys, so you can see I've been working on this one. And all this is the SOS pad, some water, and just going over it a few times. And you can see this, or from this to this. And don't expect miracles. You can see here it was pretty rusty here. And it's not going to bring that back. And if you got real bad, like really bad pits and stuff like that, don't expect miracles. But if you got this surface rust, SOS pad can really make a difference. I mean, this is going to work great for the truck. It's not going to be perfect, but don't need to be perfect. Truck ain't perfect. Once they get my KC covers on these, it's going to be awesome. So, gonna get the other one scrubbed down. Maybe get them mounted up. I don't know. I don't have the covers yet, but we'll see. Okay, so you can see I've got the 6x9s up there. I replaced the two outside round lights, the 6-inch round ones I had. I actually really like that look. It actually mimics the square and the round on the grill. So we got square on the outside, round on the inside up top. Yeah, I really like it. I'm just waiting on those covers. You can see I do have some yellow KC covers on those 6-inch round lights. Maybe I'll have more on those later. They're actually some ones I found on eBay. They're actually plastic. They're not the cloth covers, but I might have more on them later. I am waiting on the 6x9. I got some yellow 6x9 covers for the 6x9 lights, and actually I was online looking for 6x9 off-road lights, and they've done away with those. So I think the LED lights have killed the big lights. You don't need a big light no more. So yeah, I can't find any more 6x9. And I was kind of shocked at that. I thought they'd have some, or they'd have somebody would be selling old ones they had or something, but I can't find anything. So I guess I was lucky I had those. Okay, so finally got my KC covers. These are the 6x9 covers, and this is like original. They call that NOS, which is not nitrous. It's new old stock, meaning this is a brand new in the package part from I don't know when this could have been 70s, 80s. But basically NOS, it's a brand new part that's never been used. So I hate to cut this open. It's been sealed a really long time, but it's not doing anybody any good in this package. I mean, I'm going to take them off. I'm going to put them on my lights, and I'm going to enjoy it. So yeah, let me get these out, and I'll get them on my lights. Well, see what it looks like. I think it's going to look awesome. Okay, so there they are on. And I love it. I absolutely love it. No mistaking those covers, but I love it. This is the exact look I wanted. I think it's exactly the way I want it right there. Almost reminds me of like a Tonka truck. Like when I was a kid. I don't even know if they have them anymore, but they were like monster trucks. I believe they always had lights, off-road lights on them, but I love that. It took me a little while to figure all this out, how I wanted it, but that's how I want it right there. Really like it. The covers, the big covers, they're a little wrinkly right now, but they should smooth out as they sit on the light, sit flat. But I guess, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you.